The theme of redemption was at the heart of a speech delivered by former Ohio State football great Maurice Clarett, the keynote speaker at the Ohio Supreme Court's Black History Month event. The famed football star, who led the Ohio State Buckeyes to a 2002 national championship, told his compelling story to an audience of 230 people, including students from 5 Columbus area high schools.
You have no clue of the gifts that you have, like no clue. And oftentimes we're fed by distractions and stuff that happens to be entertaining, but it's not stuff that helps you develop your gifts.
His story was a fall from grace, an athlete once touted for the NFL to a convicted felon.
You know, all of the things that took place in my life, all of the experiences, I call them, they weren't failure. They were just different points to learn and recorrect and redirect my behavior.
He talked about channeling his energy towards a greater good.
That same ambition that I had to be great as an athlete, that same ambition still lived inside of me. And so I just realized that I had to transfer it and put it on a different platform. So I couldn't play football anymore, but the desire to want to be something in life, the desire to want to be great, the desire to want to be notable, desire to want to work hard, all that stuff is literally inside of you.
He used that ambition to start the Red Zone, a nonprofit based in his hometown of Youngstown, Ohio, to help at-risk youth from going down the wrong path. Students at the court's event had a lot of questions for the newfound activist.
Out of all your accomplishments, which ones do you feel was your biggest?
Do you have any advice for teenagers who wish to reinvent themselves and start fresh?
Why do you think for people of color, mental health is such a huge stigma?
So what's next for you in your life?
In return, he emphasized the importance of setting goals to achieve success. Clarett told them to form a vision for their lives.
If you don't have anything that you're focusing on and working towards every single day of your life, I promise you, you'll fall into more trivial distractions than ever before.
I'm Ann Yeager for Court News Ohio.